Hey everybody, we are going to make a pantry meal and we are doing a tuna pasta salad. It's a cold noodle salad to stretch your tuna. So I have some water boiling. I'm going to add salt. Always season your water because it does not come seasoned. I'm going to add the little bit left of this chicken powder, bouillon powder. And I'm going to put in about half this box of pasta. Stir it up, let it come back to a bubble. And you can use the whole box. This is just for me and my husband. So yeah, make sure you season your water because water does not come seasoned. And when this is done, we'll be back and add the rest of the ingredients. Alrighty, our noodles are cooked and I took about a cup of peas and ran them under warm water. If you want them more done, you can just add them to the water with the pasta before it's done and then just drain it all together. So I have that. I have 2 ribs of celery. I have onion. I have some albacore tuna. You can use as many cans as you like. I have some onion powder, dry minced onion, which you can use if you don't have fresh onion as well. I have some parsley and some mayonnaise. And you can add pickle, dill weed, boiled egg, whatever you like. Oh, and I also have a can of, where did I put it? Of sliced black olives. So we're just gonna get everything chopped up. And you can use as much or as little of everything as you like. I'm going to put everything in my bowl, get it started. Hopefully I got a big enough bowl. Maybe, maybe not. That one's kind of wimpy. You can also do this with chicken, your canned chicken, or leftover rotisserie chicken, leftover baked chicken, the store-bought canned chicken. Use your freeze-dried peas, you can use canned peas. And if you find that your pasta salads, kind of get stiff the next day after it's been refrigerated, because the pasta soaks up any moisture, you can just add a little milk to loosen that up. So, now we're just gonna start adding everything to the bowl. Got salt and pepper as well. Just gonna sprinkle in some of these onions, and that just gives it a different texture. Add some parsley. And like I said, if you're wanting the pickle, you could add dill weed to add a little more oomph of dilliness. Drained my black olives. Sprinkle those around. This is a very adaptable recipe to whatever you want. I'll probably add another can of tuna to this. Start mixing that up. And this really is just a way to stretch meat. I grew up on these kind of salads. My grandpa made them. I believe they are Depression era cooking. Feed a lot of people, stretch your meat and vegetables out. Let me open another can of tuna. Oh, I saw that fly. Belle! Belle is my fly catcher. And if you use chicken, you can season it with thyme, basil, whatever different types of seasonings you like. But this is how I like my tuna pasta salad. I'm going to add my onion powder. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. That's about half a teaspoon and a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper. And we are going to get our mayonnaise. I'm ready to eat this now. This is going to be our dinner tonight. That's about a cup of mayonnaise to start. And also with the mayonnaise, you know, it's as creamy or dry as you like your pasta. Grew up with a lot of salads. My mom didn't like to cook on her stove, so she used the rotisserie, the grill, the electric skillet, and even with the electric skillet on the bar or the counter, she would lay out newspaper She likes to keep everything new looking. But she made great tacos, fried chicken, rotisserie chicken, prime rib on the rotisserie is divine. She would marinate a chuck roast overnight and then put that on the grill. Cook it low and slow. Just stir that up really well, and this is your salad. Got your carbs for energy, you got your tuna for protein. It'll feed a lot of people for very little money. Especially if you do the whole pound of pasta if you have a bigger family. I don't think you'll have any complaints. So there you have it. Stir it really well to make sure all your seasonings get blended in there. And like I said, if it's dry after refrigeration, add a little milk or cream, whatever you have, or you could add more mayonnaise, but the milk will loosen it back up. Let's taste it. It's good, and if you like garlic in your tuna, you could add garlic as well. Add a little more salt. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to let it chill. And this is what's for dinner. Oh. So if you have any questions, post them down below. That's what it looks like. And if you haven't subbed, please think about it. Thumbs up helps me out, or thumbs down, either way, they both help me out. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe out there. And think about everybody. Bye-bye.